Looking for the best laptop cleaning kit that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best laptop cleaning kit that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: Ortolan Laptop Cleaning Kit. This upgraded laptop cleaning kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for keeping laptops, keyboards, screens, and other electronic devices spotless without the hassle of buying separate tools. Its thoughtfully designed accessories, including retractable brushes, keycap puller, metal cleaning tip, flocking sponge, lens cleaning pen, and multiple microfiber cloths, make it suitable for both routine maintenance and deep cleaning. The thick polishing cloth effectively removes fingerprints, dust, and smudges from screens without leaving streaks, scratches, or lint behind, while the precision brushes easily reach tight spaces between keyboard keys. It also performs exceptionally well on camera lenses, earbuds, charging cases, and other delicate electronics, making it a versatile cleaning companion for home, office, or college use. Durable, reusable, and easy to carry, this comprehensive cleaning kit delivers professional quality results at an affordable price, helping extend the life and appearance of your valuable electronic devices with minimal effort. Next up is Altura Photo Laptop Cleaning Kit. The Altura Photo 5-piece laptop screen and keyboard cleaning kit is a complete and reliable solution for maintaining laptops, keyboards, and other electronic devices in like-new condition. Designed with both convenience and effectiveness in mind, the kit includes a high-quality screen cleaning spray, microfiber cloth, cleaning brush, air blower, and dust cleaning gel, providing everything needed to tackle fingerprints, dust, crumbs, and stubborn debris. The brush and air blower easily reach tight keyboard spaces, while the cleaning gel lifts hidden particles without leaving residue. The screen cleaner, paired with the large magic fiber cloth, delivers a crystal clear, streak-free finish that is safe for delicate displays. Suitable for home, office, or travel, this kit helps extend the lifespan and appearance of valuable electronics through regular maintenance. Backed by Altura Photo's reputation for quality and affordability, it offers exceptional value, making it an excellent investment for anyone who wants professional-grade cleaning results with minimal effort. Coming in at number 3 is Cleaniku Laptop Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive laptop and keyboard cleaning kit is a thoughtfully designed all-in-one solution that delivers professional-level care for a wide range of electronic devices. Featuring premium reusable tools such as a retractable brush, keycap puller, polishing cloths, metal cleaning tip, flocking sponge, lens pen, and cleaning spray, it makes routine maintenance simple and highly effective. The enlarged 10 ml cleaning solution, paired with the lint-free microfiber cloth, removes fingerprints, dust, and smudges without leaving streaks or damaging delicate screens. The precision tools excel at cleaning mechanical keyboards, gaming setups, camera lenses, earbuds, tablets, TVs, and other electronics by reaching tight spaces that ordinary cloths cannot. Its durable construction, replacement accessories, and beginner-friendly instructions ensure long-lasting value and ease of use. Compact enough for travel yet comprehensive enough for everyday maintenance, this versatile cleaning kit is an excellent investment for students, professionals, gamers, and anyone who wants to keep their devices looking and performing like new. Now number 4, Walkthrough Laptop Cleaning Kit. This complete keyboard and laptop cleaning kit is an excellent all-in-one maintenance solution for anyone who wants to keep their electronic devices looking spotless and performing at their best. Equipped with a retractable keyboard brush, soft detailing brush, 15 ml streak-free screen cleaning spray, reusable microfiber pads, and a plush lens cloth, it effectively removes dust, fingerprints, crumbs, and stubborn debris without scratching delicate surfaces. The precision brushes easily reach between keyboard keys and other hard-to-clean areas, while the advanced cleaning solution leaves screens crystal clear with no streaks or residue. Its compact, organized design makes it convenient to carry in a backpack, laptop bag, or desk drawer, ensuring cleaning tools are always within reach. Suitable for laptops, phones, tablets, cameras, earbuds, MacBooks, and even car interiors, this versatile kit offers exceptional value through reusable components, durable construction, and reliable performance, making it an ideal choice for everyday home, office, or travel use. And finally, our last pick is If4 Laptop Cleaning Kit. This 7-in-1 electronic cleaning kit is a compact yet highly effective solution for maintaining keyboards, earbuds, screens, and other everyday devices with ease. Equipped with practical tools such as a soft nylon brush, flocking sponge, plastic cleaning nib, keycap puller, high-density brush, removable suede cleaning cloth, and screen cleaning spray, it provides everything needed for thorough cleaning in one portable package. The soft nylon bristles safely remove dust and debris from keyboards without scratching the keys, while the keycap puller makes deep keyboard maintenance quick and effortless. Specialized accessories effectively clean earbud charging cases, speaker grills, camera lenses, phone ports, car vents, and other hard-to-reach areas. The reusable suede cloth delivers a streak-free finish on LCD screens and can be washed for repeated use, adding long-term value. Durable, lightweight, and versatile, this cleaning kit is an excellent choice for home, office, or travel, helping extend the lifespan and appearance of your valuable electronic devices. So those were the top 5 best laptop cleaning kit you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.